Today I will be unboxing and reviewing a budget scare Xiaomi Redmi 9 Prime, which comes of two variants, that is 4GB 64GB and 4GB 128GB. Let's get started. The processor is of MediaTek Helio G80, which is specially boosted for gaming performance and smooth playback. The mobile is powered by Android 10 and MIUI 11 UI. As it is a new model, the Xiaomi will also improve the product stability through regular updates. And the camera comes with 13 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, which is a quad camera mobile, and the front comes with 8 megapixel AI camera, 13 megapixel wide, it is a wide angle lens, 8 megapixel is ultra wide angle lens, 5 megapixel which is a macro lens, and 2 megapixel is a depth sensor. So talking about the front camera, it is of 8 megapixel, which is a quite good decision, which supports AI and it gives a good quality selfie. Although it doesn't have selfie moonlight camera, but it's a good choice for low end users. Talking about the port comes with Type-C port, which is supporting reverse charging. The mobile supports up to 18 watt fast charging and very fast charging capacity. The product comes with 4 variants, that is black, blue, sunrise flare and orange. Talking about the display, the resolution is 2340 into 1080 Full HD plus. The brightness is 400 nits and aspect ratio is 19:5:9. Reading the mode is certified by TUV Rainland, and the glass comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And talking about the network connectivity, there is a 2+1 dedicated SIM card slot which supports 4G, 3G, 2G, supports dual SIM VoLTE HD calling, supports Volt over Wi-Fi, and the network bands are GSM, WD, WCDMA, TD-LTE, FDD-LTE, supports Wi-Fi display and Wi-Fi direct, supports Bluetooth 5.0. There are 4 sensors given: G sensor, L sensor, P sensor, E sensor. Multimedia supports MP4, MPV, then MKV, XVID, Wave, AAC, MP3, AMR, FLSE and APE. Supported video formats are H.263, H.264, AVC, baseline, profile, BP, H.264, AVC, main, profile, MP. Package contains Redmi 9 Prime, power adapter, simple protective cover, USB Type-C cable, SIM eject to user guide, warranty card. The height of the mobile is 163.3mm, width is 77mm, thickness is 9.1mm, weight is 198 grams, and it supports AI face unlock and the rear fingerprint sensor. As you can see that